Hi, in today's video I will show you some AI tools that can help to boost your productivity. Each of these tools has unique features that can help you streamline your work, reduce stress, and save valuable time. So, let's dive in. Hootsuite. Hootsuite is an AI-powered social media management tool that can help you manage your social media accounts more efficiently. With Hootsuite, you can easily schedule and publish posts across multiple platforms and track your engagement data. Hootsuite's machine learning algorithms analyze your data to provide insights and recommendations for improving your social media strategy. With Hootsuite, you can save time and improve the quality of your social media presence. WorkFusion. WorkFusion is an AI-powered automation platform that can help you automate repetitive and time-consuming tasks such as data entry, data processing, and document management. With WorkFusion, you can free up your time for more important tasks, while the platform takes care of the mundane ones. WorkFusion uses machine learning to automate tasks that were previously done manually, so you can increase your efficiency, reduce costs, and improve accuracy and speed. WorkFusion is the perfect tool for anyone looking to optimize their workflows and streamline their work. Otter AI. If you've ever had to transcribe a meeting or phone call, you know how time-consuming and tedious it can be. Otter.ai is an AI-powered transcription tool that can help you transcribe your meetings and calls automatically. Otter.ai uses machine learning algorithms to identify different speakers and highlight important points in the conversation, making it easier for you to review and share notes. With Otter.ai, you can save time and improve the accuracy of your meeting notes. So these are some tools that will help you boost your productivity. Tell me in the comments, should I create more videos like this? Be sure to like this video, and if you are new around here, check out my channel and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.